Rural development. In this capsule, we shall study about decentralization, role of Panchayat Raj institutions and women in development. Now, we shall study about decentralization. Even before independence, Mahatma Gandhi had declared independence should begin with villages first, and each village should be democratic unit with people's rule. Providing the administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to its own people is called administrative decentralization. Through decentralization, self-reliant, self-sufficient and prosperous villages can be developed. This process was called Gram Swarajya by Mahatma Gandhi. Decentralization puts a stop to all kinds of exploitation, upholds human independence and dignity, and nurtures human values like compassion and cooperation. To enable decentralization, the Panchayat Raj system has been brought into practice. Panchayat Raj system is not new to India. During Vedic times, the village administration was being carried on by the village people. A committee of 5 representatives of the people would carry on the administration. The word Panchayat has evolved from the word Pancha. The Panchayat organizations are also known as rural local governments. The Indian government, through the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, brought into existence a uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions throughout the country. Due to this, the Panchayat institutions got constitutional status. As per the amendment, 3-tier system of panchayats came into existence. They were Gram Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat and Zilla Panchayat. Panchayat institutions operate according to principles of democracy. Role of Panchayat Raj institutions in rural development. Panchayat Raj institutions play a major role in enabling the rural people to participate in rural development. They can help to provide the rural community with basic facilities of roads, drains, drinking water, street lights, toilets, schools, hospital buildings, market yards, etc. Through encouragement of primary and middle school education, adult education, technical and vocational training, and expansion of health and hygiene facilities, Panchayat institutions have striven to develop human resources too. More employment opportunities can be provided to the people through nurturing the rural productive activities of agriculture, cattle rearing, poultry, fishery, social forestry, etc. Agricultural irrigation can be expanded by undertaking construction of ponds and tanks, desilting them regularly, maintenance of minor irrigation works, etc. Rural and cottage industries can be improved. Establishment of food processing units can be encouraged. Through the panchayats, seminars, conferences and training programs can be organized for all the above activities. Various projects like Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Project, Swarna Jayanti Rural Self-Employment Project, etc. for generation of employment and alleviation of poverty can be implemented effectively through panchayat institutions. With the success of such projects, rural poverty and unemployment can be eliminated. Various housing projects like Indira Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Valmiki Housing Project, Ashraya Yojana, etc. can be implemented and all shelterless people provided shelter. Through Suvarna Gramodaya Yojana, basic facilities can be enhanced. The public distribution system in villages can be improved and poor people can be provided with the essential food grains adequately. By identifying the old people, the disabled, widows, mentally ill people, etc., it can be ensured that all the facilities from the social welfare programs of the government reach them promptly. All the self-help groups of women can be brought together and proper encouragement can be given to their productive activities. In this way, women too can be made to participate in the development of the nation. Social and cultural activities can be encouraged through celebration of village fairs and festivals. Through such activities, village arts and crafts will get an impetus and the rural culture will get enriched. Thus, Panchayat Raj institutions play a significant role in the overall development of rural areas in alleviating poverty and unemployment there. in making the life of the villagers independent and prosperous, and thereby strengthening the democratic fabric of the country. We can see the Panchayat Raj institutions engaging themselves in all the above mentioned activities and taking the villages further on the path of progress. Children, let us know about woman development. In her lifetime, a woman performs a variety of duties as a mother, wife, daughter-in-law, and a daughter. Every man's life is shaped by a woman. She works not only in house but also outside as a farmer, worker, employee, officer, businesswoman, and lawmaker at an equal level with men. Hence, her role is decisive in the development of the country, especially rural development. The chores that women perform at home are not considered labor and so are not paid any wages. When the work done both at home and outside is taken into account, women work for a greater duration than men. Still, a major part of that work is not paid and does not fetch any direct income to the woman. This kind of wageless labor is not taken into account in the national income also. All in all, both men and women share the same responsibility in making the country economically developed. They are like the two wheels of the chariot of progress. Neither should be ignored. Think and answer. What did Mahatma Gandhi ji quote over village role in uplifting democracy? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi had declared independence should begin with villages first, and each village should be a democratic unit with people's rule. Second one. Who are the Panchas? Answer. A committee of 5 representatives of the people would carry on the administration. They were referred to as the Panchas. Pair up. What is administrative decentralization? Answer. Providing the administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to its own people is called administrative decentralization. Panchayat Raj institutions play a significant role in the overall development of rural areas. Justify. Answer. Panchayat Raj institutions play a significant role in the overall development of rural areas in alleviating poverty and unemployment there, in making the life of the villagers independent and prosperous. Dear children, in this capsule we studied decentralization, role of Panchayat Raj institutions and women in development. Important questions are: what is Gram Swarajya? 2. Mention the various projects implemented through Panchayat institutions. 3. What are the local governments? 4. Which are the three-tier systems of Panchayat? 5. How the Panchayat institutions are striving to develop human resource. Here are some important keywords. Decentralization means distributing authority or power. Self-reliant, self-dependent. Fetch, get or bring. Course, a small routine work. Alleviate, reduce or decrease. Impetus, anything that stimulates or motivates. Here are few extended activities. Visit the nearest Gram Panchayat office and learn the programs implemented by it. What are the programs implemented by Panchayat Raj for the all-round development of rural areas? Thank you.